y'all, welcome to my new video. This is a collab with Cozy Island. And today I'll be featuring 3 pairs of shoes that they sent me. I'm so excited. So today I'll be trying on 3 pairs. So these are very Christmassy, very holiday season. Then these are like very fall. And then these are like very winter. So we have a whole range of styles here to try on. And just like their name suggests, their mission is to have everyone in cozy islands of soft, comfortable, supportive feet. So that means their insoles, uppers, and lowers are all specifically designed for comfort, as well as this elastic yarn fabric, which all their shoes are like made out of. Their shoes also have these cute buckles and these heels. So I'm excited to try on all these shoes with all my outfits. So first off, I'm gonna do the boots. So you know how like usually when you have a really long pair of boots like this, you can get a lot of like bruises and bunions from the tough fabric. Well, to counter this issue, Cozy Island has introduced this elastic yarn. So it's softer and it's more flexible, and it avoids like digging into your skin and causing blisters and all that. So just a little intro on the brand. So our sponsor today is Cozy Island. And they aspire to create a cozy island for your feet, ensuring they feel comfortable wherever they go. Arch support, including a cushioned heel and a metatarsal support. So all of these shoes come packaged like this. There's this cute little wrap. It also comes with this really interesting. So the boots are like this, and then I pull them out. It is like this. So let's try them on. I'm gonna try them on with the outfit that I'm currently wearing. How cute are these? They're made of like a really comfortable like sock-like material, but it's like fully durable and like water resistant. They've got this heel. And we just tried on the boots. Next we're gonna do the red heels. And then after that we'll do these. So get excited. But before we go, let's just check out the boots one more time. Perfect red shoes for a wicked party or a Christmas party or pretty much any party that involves red slippers. Hey y'all, so we're still in our Cozy Island collab haul today. So we've seen 2 really cute pairs of shoes. Time for the third. So our third pair is this really cute pair of mules. So there's no backing, it's just the front piece and the strap to keep your foot in. It also means that you don't get the like blisters from the back end. These are super padded and comfortable. So these are the Grace Life Stiletto slingback pumps. They're super cute. They've got this heel on them. They're all pretty monochrome, this color, which I like. Even like the sole matches, which that's a big thing for me. I really like the sole to match the shoe, or else I just feel like it doesn't look as good as it could. So I'm really happy with the fact that like the soles match the shoes. And then they have this really comfortable insole and arch support. So yay, let's unpack the other one and try them on. That I got today are a 7.5. So let's try them on. That's my usual size. I did not size up or size down. I just ordered my usual size and it turned out pretty well. I think for the most part they do fit. Yeah, so here are the pumps. I'm wearing it with this cozy, comfy outfit today, which will be featured in another upcoming haul. But I really like how professional these pumps look. Hey y'all, thanks so much for tuning in today. I really hope you enjoyed today's haul sponsored by Cozy Island Footwear. How adorable were all of these pairs of shoes, right? So if you're interested or you saw a pair that you like, check out the description. I'll have all the links and all the info in the description. Get yourself a pair or shop for a loved one. They have all sorts of styles for women. Yeah, perfect for the winter season, or you can go ahead and get some styles all ready for spring. So yeah, thanks so much for tuning in today. Check out the description for more info. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe. Love y'all. XOXOXO at the Illy Babe.